Let's make a paper flower decor with craft Jenny. Here I've got a 10 cm by 10 cm square to cut some flowers. Fold the square as I'm doing here, and then we need to draw a petal and cut. As the result, you will get an 8 petal flower like this. For the flower we are making today, we need 2 sets of 3 petal flowers like this. And this rectangle, dimensions as 4 cm by 5 cm, is for the middle part of the flower. Okay, let's move the stem of the flower. Here we need a rectangle, dimensions as 4 cm by 20 cm. Follow the steps I am doing here to roll the paper, making the stem, and then we can make the flower. We are sharing many kinds of crafting tutorials in our YouTube channel. So if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get notifications in future. You can follow these steps and make flowers as much as enough. For my flower arrangement, I have selected yellow color and orange color flowers. You can match the colors as you prefer. Okay, our next step is to make some leaves. First we can draw and cut some leaves like this, and then follow this step to get a 3D look to the leaves. Now we need to glue the leaves we made to the flower stems. After making enough flowers and leaves, now we can move for the arrangement. Hope you enjoyed today's video. So give a like, comment your ideas, share with your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get notifications in future.